Hey guys, it's Matt Leone from the Smoke Show, Smoke Game Strong. That is it for season 1 of the Smoke Show. So man, we appreciate everybody with the support, the likes, the follows, the subscribes. We appreciate everybody subscribing. Tell your friends, tell your brother, tell your mother. Here's some clips of our favorite scenes from season 1. All right, the Smoke Show is on the road today, baby. We're here at Interstellar Barbecue. Brotherton's Barbecue with the man himself, John Brotherton. The one and only Argentinian king, Al Fogoni. All right, so we're here with Miguel Vidal, the OG of Tex-Mex Barbecue. The Indian Spring Ranch. We're here at Throwing Smoke. We're out here in Lockhart, Texas, checking out the guys here at Mill Scale. We're going right around the corner to Valentina's. What's going down? We're here at Smitty's Market in Lockhart. So we're here at Treaty Oak with Elias Vidal, pitmaster chef. Season 2 will be coming at you real soon. Until next time, I'm Matt with Smoke Game Strong. Smoke Show coming at you. Peace.